All right, so this is what's happening today. Today, I'm running around making car videos on the highway with two GoPros. Two GoPros, the silver and the black. The black is outside. And so what I want to show you is something pretty cool. Right now, you're seeing the view of the 7 black outside right now, and I'm charging the silver. Okay. But this is what I want to show you. Look how easy and cool it is to switch over to the next camera. So you go over, or you go back from where the view is, and now you have both options right here. The one outside, or the one inside, is off, it's charging, and the one outside. So either one you want, you just select it, and now you're controlling whichever one of those cameras you want to control. Pretty easy. I was worried about it when I got the two cameras for the truck. I was like, how am I going to control both of them? And it's as easy as here selecting which camera. If I buy another one, I'll press plus here in the corner, and I can add the ones for the front. That's easy. So I'm starting to like this idea of the GoPro and the app. Not too bad. I'm not that angry anymore. You just have to play with them and make them work.